Welcome to a look into the future of data science. Today we're diving deep into big data processing. We'll explore how to handle massive global temperature datasets, leveraging cutting-edge technology for analysis. This is Big Data Processing, Global Temperature Analysis with Dask. Get ready for a high-tech, efficiency-focused deep dive. Imagine analyzing millions of rows of global temperature data. This scale of information demands a specialized, high-performance approach. Traditional tools often fail when faced with datasets this large. The challenge lies in efficiently loading, processing, and analyzing this enormous scale of data. Watch as we visualize a colossal dataset, millions of rows, being loaded. The sheer volume can quickly overwhelm standard computing environments. To conquer this challenge, we need high efficiency, parallel processing. We need to distribute the workload across multiple cores and machines. Enter Dask, the solution designed for scaling Python and its ecosystem to handle big data workloads efficiently. Dask achieves this by forming distributed computing clusters, conceptually activating workers to handle chunks of data in parallel. Dask seamlessly scales your existing Python code, allowing you to process datasets that far exceed your machine's memory. Let's see this parallel power in action, where complex computations are broken down and executed simultaneously across the cluster. The Dask dashboard provides a live view of parallel task execution, showing cluster utilization, memory usage, and the flow of computation. Dask allows you to write simple code, like standard pandas operations, but automatically scales it across your distributed cluster. Our global temperature data is often stored in robust relational databases. Dask makes connecting to these sources simple and efficient. This animation depicts the seamless, high-speed connection between our Dask cluster and the PostgreSQL database holding the temperature records. Dask efficiently queries and ingests the data, minimizing latency and preparing the millions of data points for rapid analysis. With the data in hand, we move to the final analysis phase, where Dask's performance truly shines. The final visualization reveals the trends in global temperature, a critical insight made possible by Dask's computational muscle. This performance scaling chart illustrates the linear speedup achieved by adding more cores and workers to the Dask cluster, demonstrating true efficiency. In summary, Dask transforms big data challenges into manageable, high-speed processing workflows. It provides the efficiency and power necessary to handle global-scale datasets and accelerate scientific discovery using familiar Python tools. Thank you for watching. Explore Dask today and unlock the potential of your big data analysis.